Okay, now let's talk about the stationery and education products. So basically, ITC started its the paper this thing stationery products with the brand Papercraft, which was a kind of premium brand, and which was in the year 2002 they started this Papercraft basically, and then later on this Papercraft brand kind of expanded into a very good popular segment. Then with its new beginning in the next year, that is 2003, they started a new brand called Classmate. We all know what is Classmate. So in the year 2007, Classmate actually became the kind of largest notebook brand in the India's like India and everywhere kind of. So and together, if we consider together with the Classmate brand as well as a Papercraft brand of ITC, then we have various range of products being provided to the students, colleges and offices, that is for the purpose of education and stationary space, providing them a discerning to the end users, that is for the providing like them unrivaled value in terms of cheapest, as well as like if we go to in terms of products and prices, then basically these Classmates products and services are priced a quite cheaper amount itself, and anybody can just go and buy a Classmate Papercraft, but it's quality of Papercraft as well as these if we come to Papercraft and the Classmate, then they become actually kind of a natural extension to the consumer. So like sorry to say, like the consumer here in this case would kind of become meticulous, like he might understand that there are certain consumer needs. Like if we talk about schools, then he needs books right there. If we talk about colleges, we need books right there. So basically it tries to create value of itself, and which is also relevant and kind of comprehensive, which in turn satisfies every nook and corner of the portfolio basically. So and there are certain different needs of consumers, so it satisfies all the needs and satisfies all the consumers set of there are certain set of consumers, right, who buys like pens of ITCs or let be any other thing. So basically when we move further, so basically ITC is a manufacturer in India. So first, ozone treated environment. So it uses this for the preparation of its books, and for in the manufacturing process they use friendly elemental chlorine flue, that is ECF pulp. So because of this, this also helps in the paperboard, as well as the books are also going cool. They use bamboo, etc., and that ECF. So it kind of blends the knowledge of the image processing. Like there are certain books when in the printing of the papers, etc., or conversion of the kind of garnered thing from the packaging and the printing business, which kind of brings them into its building brand and trade marketing in turn, which also helps in the distribution channels. So it also builds their range of products to strengthen them in the international as well as at the national level. And so basically education industry is also kind of strength to the Indian residents, because it is considered as a FMCG business as well only, right? And in FMCG segment, we all know that ITC provides a superior value of products to its customers and the end users. Like it creates a value on the other hand to students and various other customers. Apart from that, over the years, if we talk about the Classmate evolution, then it has kind of transformed itself. Now if somebody asks how it has been transformed, then like first it was a notebook brand, we all know, right? So like Classmate notebooks, everybody knows it, right? But right now, apart from giving a portfolio of book, now it has started to give a complete stationery portfolio. Like their range, like before it used to just give a Classmate book. Hope you all know what is that Classmate book. But now under the head Classmate, they have a variety of range of products, like high quality writing instruments, such as we have Classmate ball pen, we have the Classmate gel pen, then we have the Classmate roller pens, then we have the Classmate mechanical pencils, pencils, etc. What and all we don't have. Yeah, they are trying to capture every field, as I tell. And then ITC's mathematical instruments. It has introduced that. Apart from that, the geometrical boxes. Then they have their scholastic products. Then they have the eraser, then they have the sharpeners, then the rulers, scales, certain art stationery products for sketching, etc., such as drawings. If we use students as drawings, so wax crayons can be used, simple crayons, sketch pens, oil pastels, all these. ITC has brought out that if paper is there, certain thing has to be used on that paper, right? So those products also they have brought it into it. So ITC's stationery products and business actually offers a quite good range of products. Like right now we spoke, it offers pen, etc., and many more things kind of. So we can't underestimate the wide range and the differentiated products which ITC has basically brought under the classmate brand of ITC, as well as the papercraft brand of ITC. Okay. If we go more further, then we have a clear market leader in the student notebook segment. We all know that ITC's Classmate has a big brand, Classmate notebooks, right? So Classmate's kind of portfolio is there, right? So that portfolio, as we spoke, we have certain all the pencils, instruments, the scholastic products, etc. So then we have your drawings, wax crayons, geometry boxes, and many more things. So that students can also be using those products for their mathematics subjects, or maybe the geometry subjects. Scales, erasers, sharpeners. So these are the nursery things when a child goes to school. So yeah, so these, apart from that, they just bond up with the school, so that school provides them ITC products. Yeah, certain, sometimes it's like that if indirectly. So we have certain Color Crew, which is a sub brand of Classmate, that is Color Crew. It's a new brand. I repeat it, Color Crew is a sub brand under ITC. Sorry, Classmate, which has exciting, good products and superior quality products for students, art materials, like colors and wax crayons, etc., which are kind of non-toxic oil pastels. To be precise, it's nothing but the oil pastels, but they are non-toxic in the sense we have the wax crayons as said. Then we also have the sketch pens. Okay, then the ITC's business actually later launched their new brand called Sathi. So that is their notebook brand actually, for the value segment to be precise. And then they targeted small markets. So in local and small markets, their brand Sathi was working, and then on national and international levels, their Classmate and Papercraft was working. So like if someone wants to buy a cheaper book of ITC, then we have ITC. Sorry, Sathi. And if someone wants to buy a brand name kind of, then Classmate of that. And apart from that, they are also the leading provider of premium executive and office paper stationery. As said, that they provided to offices, schools, and many institutions, etc. So in that range, what do they provide? So kind of notebook of ranges of green impression. So yes, as we just backflip the book, we can see there is a green impression that they do the go green motto actually. ITC follows go green thing, that is they use bamboo, etc. Then there we have the signature series as well, for the purpose of assortment. It's basically for the assortment of the premium pens which are being used by ITC's range of products which are providing pens. And apart from that, we have the greenest range of stationery products which are being supplied to the products basically. So it is in kind, they want that books are to be supplied, but the natural resources should not be harmed, so nature also be provided. So we have the fiber chain value kind of, so that creates a large scale livelihood in the rural India. So it should not affect the rural India as well. And in the rural India as well, the Classmate and Papercraft notebook should be given. Like it should not be like only urban people. So yeah, in rural India as well as the urban India should be provided with the Classmate and the Papercraft notebooks, which is actually embodied in form of the environmental capital, which is being built by the Indian Tobacco Company Limited. Okay, so this in Tobacco Company Limited, embodied in the capital investment which they have made in the paper craft and this business kind of, okay, we can say. And let's now talk about certain advertisements which basically they have brought up, okay. So I'll just show certain advertisements. So by that we can get certain, okay. So by these, we can get to know certain strategies which are being pulled up by the classmate and papercraft actually. So we get a better idea on this, that how and why basically the papercraft and the classmate, or let it be Sathi, why are they kind of being increasingly being used? Yeah, I will be using that word itself. Okay. So one more thing, I would like to say that add on that basically. I just one second. Okay, so here when we go here to, okay, so easier for the education was differentiated paper craft group green, we have done it. So basically ITC's business strategies, so okay, so what right now can do is just show you this one second. Okay, so here we have it. I'll just show you the classmate. So we have here our classmate ad. Okay, classmate ad. Okay, we'll go to the classmate ad, and so see, I'll show you two to three ads, and then you can just give your viewpoint on the same. Okay, classmate, like everybody knows. If someone doesn't know, then please comment on what is the classmate actually. Okay, one second. I'll just volume up. Hmm. So now I'll just show you this. I hope you can see this here.
I'm sorry. इस बार भी my maths के marks are not great. I tried माँ, दिया और करण से better बनने के लिए. एक दिन जरूर beat करूँगी उनको. तब मेरे लिए अपना chocolate cake बनाना. इस बार please sign my notebook. Chocolate cake? पर my marks.
Your marks are improving. और ये केक दूसरों को नहीं, खुद को बीट करने के लिए.
Classmate, be better than yourself.
So in this way, they are trying to target parents. Okay, parents. So they are targeting itself in various other products and students also. But these notebooks, etc., they are targeting basically the student community basically. So they just see if a student like me only, not right now, but when I was quite bit older, even I was seeing classmate ads, and at that time I had parents used to buy us such a certain book, and we used to take it at home, and or we had certain internal dealings with the school, and school had to used to give us certain books, and we had to take it, like school had was printing. Like if not, then we used to see that certain friends of mine used to bring classmate notebooks. So we'll be like, why their book is different, and so it kind of creates a brand value, attraction. So this is what ITC is creating among people. So when they buy their product, they also are buying their brand. See, like here's what the comparison starts. Like he has classmates, so kind of there's a brand value being created. Or if I'm having certain other brand, like their competitors brand, any other notebook, like we have Shaker's Victory or any other book. So basically, so if that I'm carrying, even they have their certain brand value. But the if we talk about the market leader, then that is classmate, which is because it creates a value, plus it is giving you considers the papers. It also follows certain rules for manufacturing those, which are healthy enough, like biodegradable enough, and it is not harmful enough as well. So it kind of thinks of everything, and then processes the classmate, papercraft, and Sathi books. And see, as I told, for local market they brought Sathi books, right? So Shaker's Victory have no other thing, like for local market will bring this, or for the purpose of urban areas will bring this book. So ITC is trying to just put out the strategies and kind of put for local markets the Sathi, and in that way they can just capture the market of local as well as the urban market, like rural market, I can say, the urban, rural, and the small markets, as I can say. So they can capture the whole market like this. And yeah, actually they have captured, the classmate has captured this thing because of their brand value and being the market leader, and seeing their conglomerate diversified business as well. Okay, so yeah, they are targeting the students mainly on this matter, because students and the people as well, that is anybody needs books. It doesn't mean that it's digital India, so books are completely eradicated. Books are still necessary, and in future also books would be necessary for sure. We'll just see 2 3 ads so we get an idea, like how what is their surrounding revolvement, like is it only students. So see, now here what we saw is the mother was involved, and so they were having some discussion. So student was a child was involved as well as a mother, like kind. So in next video what happens, we'll just check on. Okay, so we have this one more video, just check it. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so I'll just on it.
इतनी लेट यहाँ क्या हुआ? देख, कल इंटर हाउस ऐसे कंपटीशन है ना? लास्ट ईयर तू सेकंड आया था, वो भी सिर्फ 1 मार्क से। आया था कि नहीं? तो कौन है राहुल? ये ले मेरी क्लासमेट नोटबुक, इस पर लिखोगे तो टीचर नीटनेस के 2 एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स देगी। मतलब इस टाइम तो क्या फर्स्ट। वैसे तो तुम मुझे रोज चिढ़ाती है, आज क्या हुआ? सुन, तू मेरे हाउस का है, चिढ़ा सकती हूँ, पर अगर तू सेकंड आए तो दूसरे हाउस वाले तुझे चिढ़ाएंगे, वो मैं होने नहीं दूंगी। समझा बुद्धू?
Whiter, brighter, smoother notebooks from Classmate, India's #1 notebook brand. Classmate from ITC.
You saw, right? So this is how, now what I was speaking is what was my experience basically was shown in this ad. Basically I said you right, the brand value. Now they, by the brand value was created, they said that the brand is #1 brand, notebook brand basically, and it is. And like they said that if you use this book, it sounds kind of superstitious, but they are just portraying that if you use their book basically, you'll get an extra marks, right? You heard that. So if you use their book, you'll get an extra marks. So yeah, sometimes it affects that he's using a good brand of notebook and we have clean sheets or etc. But all that matters is your knowledge, what you portray on the paper, let it be of ITC companies or any other company. Okay, so here they basically targeted a group of students, we can say. Again, it's the student community as well, a child community, student child community, we can say, of around range first standard to fifth standard they are targeting till now. This is one more ad, we'll just see these as well. This looks a cool ad as well, so we'll just see this ad. Okay, so here goes this ad. Okay, so this ad, just check out once how is the strategy going on.
Next Kishore, guaranteed.
It's not my planet or yours, it's ours. Thank you.
He's the next Obama. Trust me.
Mark my words, you are the next Einstein.
Presenting the next Bradman.
Definitely the next Ali.
A genius like Mozart.
So talented.
Hey, he's the next Michael Jackson.
Instead of being the next somebody, can I please be the first me?
I'm the first Virat Chauhan. Vivek Roy.
The first Anya Chandrasekhar.
First Shantanu Sen.
The first Rita Bose. Purab Malhotra. The first Kiara D'Souza. The first Megha Nair.
The first Rohit Verma.
The first Lynn Matthews.
Celebrate your uniqueness with the best in stationery from Classmate, because you are one of a kind.
It's alright. It's alright. So here they basically used a clever strategy. So here they acted as a professional. So what they did is they tried to capture again the student community, but in a way it was creating a value for elders as well. See, what in the video was shown is a certain child does a thing, and the teachers or any other thing, any other person says to him that you are the next this XYZ. So instead of being the next XYZ, why don't you be the first of me? That's what was said right in the video. So this is how they're trying to capture like mind. These are mind games basically being used. These are nothing but their marketing strategies, not even mind games. But yeah, we can say that anyway they have to just attract the customers anyhow. So they just put on this strategy and they are kind of attracting that instead of being someone's XYZ, let us be me with the help of ITC's books. That is nothing but Classmate. This ad was of Classmate basically. But yeah, in a way, all use the Classmate Papercraft or let it be Sathi brand. Okay, so this ad was also a quite good ad basically. So we'll just see any other ad if possible. So here they targeted cleverly. So the student community I can say, but a clever way they have just targeted this, I can say, in a very different manner. This was one of the different manner I can say. See, I'm just showing you on every product and service video that is an ad. So basically we get an idea of how they are being marketed and of which group of persons or which group of end consumers they are targeting. So I have just in the previous videos, if you go, I have did it for cigarette as well as the personal products. So if you see, I have provided ads for there also. So you can just comment down that which ad was most effective for you guys, so that you have understood the strategy or who are the end consumers, like which ad was most effective one kind of. And even here you can just put down. I'll just show you one more. So this was first me again. See, we have this one ad. It's again the student, but you can just have a watch on these.
टच कर लेते हैं फ्यूचर को सूंघ के कोरा पन्ना कागज पे दिमाग रखे हम छोड़ो ना सुनना क ख ग घ ए बी सी डी स्पीड पकड़ के सर सर भागे क ख ग घ ए बी सी डी स्पीड पकड़ के सर सर भागे ज्ञान का हेलीकॉप्टर तेरा फर फर उड़ता जाएगा तिरछी तिरछी गोला चौरस बेमतलब मरवाएगा लुक्का छुपी खेल खेल में 10 पे चढ़ गया 10 का नंबर टच कर लेते हैं फ्यूचर को सूंघ के गोरा पन्ना क ख ग घ ए बी सी डी रंग पहन के सर सर भागे क्लासमेट इंडिया की नंबर 1 सेलिंग नोटबुक लिखो अपना कल.
It's all right. Against the student community, what they are targeting. Against the student community, what they are targeting everywhere. See, now they used. It's not like they only just try to show that the a single sheet of paper that this is the book and you can just buy it. It's not like that. They tried to capture the school view basically by showing that like they used the Hindi Varnamala, right? Like ka, ka, ga. So that is the thing. They also showed certain things that drawings can also be for the can be used on the classmate books, and that can be in a good manner, like it will result, the output would be good enough. Plus they this book can be used for any topic or any subject kind of. So like this is how they target their ITC has been targeting their customers since hope you all know that ITC is basically has been a conglomerate diversification, like diversified business since 100 years. So that is kind of becoming a strength for them as well. So since 100 years ITC is been there, so only it's the market leader, right? Like if other companies we talk, they are the recent companies which have come into the industries. Other companies are in just competition with them. See, one more ad I'll show you.
Hi, beta. So you had so much fun today. इतना सा क्या? इतना 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 क्यों? रुको। और क्या क्या किया आपने? मैं क्लासमेट के साथ कलरिंग कर रहा था। बहुत मजा आया। मामा मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है। बाय।
Classmate, welcome to school. This is what happened on Tinku's first day of school. Tell us how your child's first day was on www.facebook.com/classmate. And you could win exciting gifts.
You saw, right? We'll talk on this ad of the starting later. First, we'll talk the last part. Like in the ad, last they spoke that we can just log into the Facebook something website, www.facebook/classmate, right? So and there they also use that you can just share your first experience, and they also mentioned that they, if they liked it or it is kind of satisfying their points, then they'll price you with the same. So this is one of their marketing strategy basically, which is to be noticed here. See, price whatever it may be, but they're trying to capture this how the market, like see now we'll go to the first part here. As we saw the first part, what did we see in the first part? That the child uses the classmate color crayons on the first day for coloring or drawing purpose. Okay, so for drawing purpose, when the child uses this, when we see this ad, obviously we'll also try to follow this trend itself, right? Like I used that person used, if I was a child and I was seeing, I'm just saying my opinion, and I guess your opinion also would be same. You can just comment on that. See, basically, I would have first saw this ad on TV, okay, and then later I'll see, okay, this child has used classmate, so I'll just go to the stationery shop if I was small enough at that time, and then I'll just basically see that that child had used wax crayon. So basically, I'll just use the oil pastels or buy any other thing, like, but the brand classmate should be there, because I am sending it to the Facebook classmate thing, right? If I see, that would be a joke, like a laughing part, if I buy different companies like Camel company, like we have Camel and Domes company. If I buy uh, something of their products basically, and I put it onto their Facebook of this thing, then that would not count as an experience. And first of all, they will not even look upon it because that's their competitor. So winning a prize is secondly. First of all, they'll see that whether classmate is there. If classmate is there, under classmate, what sort of higher amount of product has been used. See, if they like there's certain, like if we certain pen, so we get it into 5 to 10 colors, 50 to 100 range. But if you buy certain big amount, like certain big amount of product. If you buy, they'll give you for sure prices, which is their marketing strategy, which is being used by ITC for the purpose of this thing, classmate. Okay, here we saw even the more, see here also, as they said, I used these, so even the friends will be like, okay,